Okay, for my video, I chose to go to the Department of Natural Resources for Georgia. I'm pretty big on, what's in your backyard. And as a future science teacher, I feel like it's important that we understand those things. So if you, um, and of course, just the different ecological systems and stuff that directly affects us as Georgians. So I think that's pretty neat. I'm in West Georgia, so I live on the Piedmont part of Georgia. So you just come up here and go to georgiawildlife.com. And then one of the things that I would like to probably show my students would be coming down here to the Georgia conservation programs. And of course, it's going to go into the mission, division overview, division efforts, game management. One of the things that I would probably like my students to be aware of would be probably in this general area, general projects and programs. Georgia Rare Species and Natural Community Data, Georgia At-Risk Species Fact Sheet. This one is probably going to be a big one, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. It is going to bring up a separate PDF, and so we're going to go here. This one kind of goes over since 2010 in Georgia. We have currently in Georgia, we have 51 endangered species. We have 31 species threatened. It's just pretty neat to kind of stay, up to date on that. We have living down here in the South, we kind of have so many different wildlife aspects. We have the mountainous range of the Blue Ridge Mountains, and then we go into the Piedmont area that's in the center of the coastal region and the lowlands of the mountains. So, we have a lot of diversity in Georgia, and I think it's important to kind of know what's in your backyard. So that was why I chose this website. Thank you.